Good morning to all of you. I am Professor Shinde Ankush Vishwanath Swami Vivekanand Mahavidyalaya Mukrambad, Taluka Mukhed, District Nanded. Dr. Ghadi College, Gadhingaj has organized a 1 week online faculty development program on use of ICT in teaching and learning. It is the first day, 1st June. It is in inauguration. Honorable Professor Dr. Dayanand Shinde, Vice Chancellor Shivaji University Kolhapur, Honorable Dr. Satish S. Ghadi, Executive Director, Vidya Prasarak Mandal Gadhingaj, Honorable Dr. Mangal Kumar R. Patil, Principal, Dr. Ghadi College, Gadhingaj. Chief Coordinator Mr. Nilesh Shalke, Coordinator Mr. Aswin G. Godghate, Coordinator Dr. Dattatreyan Wagmare, Coordinator Mr. Mahesh S. Vendkar. All these honorable persons gave us valuable guidance, suggestions, and more information about ICT. On the first day, 1st June, in the first session, Dr. Nilesh Shalke has given more information about Google Form. In the second session, Dr. Dattatreya Wagmare has focused on Google Quiz. In the second day, Dr. Wagmare and Nilesh Shalke gave the detailed explanation on Google Classroom and creating interactive blog. On 3rd June, Mr. Aswin has given a detailed information on animated video created by Render Forest. In the next session, Dr. D.N. Wagmare has given important guidance on mind map. 4th June, Dr. Nilesh Shalke suggested us that on the subject of video editing by Ice Cream Video Editor software. In the second session, focused on how to upload video on YouTube. In 5th June, in the first session, gave us detailed explanation on online quiz through test modes. In the second session, there is information on certifying to generate certificate from Google Forms. Today, I would like to explain on the most famous novel, The Old Man and the Sea. It is written by Ernest Hemingway. He was one of the greatest novelists in English literature. There are 5 characters in this novel. First, Santiago, second, Manolin, third, Marlin, 4, the sea, 5, the shark. Among them, Santiago is the main character in this novel. Santiago was a poor old fisherman. He used to catch fish in the Gulf Stream. A boy, Manolin, was also going with him, but for the last 84 days he had been unable to catch any fish, which was his livelihood. By seeing that Santiago was not lucky enough, the boys present parents asked him to go fishing with some other fisherman. The boy had a great liking for Santiago. Santiago's expression of love for boy Manolin attracts that traits in virtue. His loving suppress every other Christian virtue. He is quite tolerant. When the other fishermen poke him poke fun at him, he does not lose a temper. He is full of enthusiasm, and though others call him unlucky, he has a confidence in himself. He visualizes catching a big fish, little aware of attack of sharks, attracted by the smell of blood trailing in the water from the wound of the fish. He does not at all mind being poor. He feels as much contented with his fishing adventure as rich person feels with his wealth. He is a keen observer of nature and notices with a feeling of pity and cruel fate of the denizens of the sea. Santiago's capacity to bear pain is immense. His power to withstand stress and strain is distinctive. Adventure is in his blood and sea in his obsession. He is happy in his calling and feels proud over his achievement as a fisherman. Santiago has great fascination for nature. He feels spellbound at the sight of the sea and its beautiful surroundings and looks upon the sea creatures as his friends. His manners are a little awkward and repelling. He is romantic too in regarding the sea as feminine and not masculine according to the others. Lastly, Santiago as a hero is superb. He is most representative of modern heroes in literature. In creating such a character, Hemingway has declared his belief in human dignity and valiant fight against odds in life. Thank you.